Make him do that noise. Take him on his back.
Come closer. There you go.
It hurts your ear. Yeah, it does. Will you please stop it? The second you put him on this side, he stops.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why.
You can turn the video off.
Where is that?